Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how to make light soup from a Ghanaian home, and we are going to pair this with fufu. Hello there, if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Now let's get started. These are the vegetables we are going to use. I'll begin by cutting my garden eggs into smaller pieces. Then follows my carrot. We cut that one too into smaller pieces. And also fresh tomatoes. We are done here, so I got my bowl and then I collect all into the bowl. Then I cover it and allow this to cook on a medium heat. In a bowl, I pour in onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, and then I blend all together. I cover it and then I set it aside. Now let's check on our vegetables. The idea is to soften it for easy blending. So here I transfer all into my blender. Then I cover it and then blend on high speed till smooth. This is roasted meat. To that I add fresh fish. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? Then I add salt. And also the ginger, onion, garlic, pepper we blended together. We add it here. I rinse my bowl. I add the water. Here I add tomato paste. I add some Aidan fruit. Then we cover it and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes already. So now I go ahead and add our blended ingredients. The garden eggs, carrot, and then the fresh tomatoes we blended together. Then I rinse my blender, I add the water to it, and then I give it a gentle stir. Here I add my dried fish. Just like I mentioned earlier, you can use any protein of your choice, okay? So I cover it and allow this to cook. As soon as it starts to boil, please open the lid, okay? At this point, our soup is almost ready. So we give it another stir and then we lower our heat and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Will be okay. And our soup from a Ghanaian home is ready. We are going to pair this with fufu. I know some people enjoy it with rice, but hey, I am going in for fufu. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're going to try your hands on our soup. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye, y'all.